Hello everyone, welcome to I Am a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make crispy Gobi Manchurian or street style Gobi Manchurian. It's one of the flavorful dishes where you get back in India where they put it on a roadside stall and they sell it. It's wonderful, it's so tasty, and then today we are going to make it. So let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. The first step we are going to do is make a batter. So to the besan flour I'm going to add in the chili powder, the pepper powder, and salt, and we're going to add some water and mix it. After mixing for a while, this is the consistency which we are looking for, not too thick, not too thin. Now to this batter, I'm going to add in the cauliflower florets, and we are going to coat it with the batter. I have now finished coating the cauliflower, and now we are going to fry it. I kept a pan of oil and my oil has heated up. I brought it to a medium flame now, and we are going to fry our cauliflower. Place it one by one. Now it's golden brown. We are going to remove it off. I've finished frying the cauliflower. Now I'm going to refry it to make it more crispier. To the same oil, I'm going to fry it again. I have finished refrying it. I have kept a wok for heating. To this I have added 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. To this I'm going to add the onions. Next I'm going to add the egg. It's optional. If you don't want, you don't have to add it. I'm going to add the soya sauce, the chili sauce, and the tomato ketchup. Add the sugar next. Sugar balances the sweet and sourness. Add the green chilies and a little bit of coriander. Add a little bit of water. To the cornstarch, now I'm going to add some water. Now I have mixed the cornstarch with water and we have brought it to a consistency like this. Add the cornstarch. We are adding the cornstarch to make that a little bit of thicker. You can adjust the salt at this time. Now my gravy is ready. To this we are going to add the fried cauliflower, and mix it. Now garnish it with cilantro or coriander leaves and some spring onions, and you can turn off the stove. Now your gobi Manchurian is ready. You're going to transfer it into a plate. Now your crispy gobi Manchurian is ready. Let's try the recipe. Back in roadside they give you this toothpick to eat it, so we'll try with the toothpick. It tastes so good, just like the way we used to have it back in India on the roadside street where they sell this. And if you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel, and you can leave your feedback on the comment box and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.